Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, March 12, 2021, and this morning we gapped down following yesterday's 52-week high close. And since the open, we've kind of consolidated around the lower portion of yesterday's range. We're starting to lift a little bit, but we're still trading under yesterday's closing price in the S&P and the NASDAQ, which are the leftmost charts. We got the S&P up here in the top left and the NASDAQ in the bottom left. The other markets are doing a little bit different activity here, but we're going to be looking at a pattern specific to the S&P this afternoon, and that pattern is based upon yesterday being a 52-week high close and then going into the afternoon with a gap down that is trading below yesterday's 52-week high close. So that is currently setting up, and I'm going to set that up and discover and test it here real quick. It'll be based upon an entry time of 3 p.m. Eastern time. It's set up as a long, and it'll exit at the close of regular trading hours, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. Now, this morning we gapped down, so I'm going to add that here in the opening filters. Next, I'm going to go into the post-open filters, and I'm going to say the 3 p.m. price is below yesterday's close. So I can do that in the intraday close versus daily levels section, and all I need to do is hit equals next to less than prior close. That'll mean the price at 3 p.m. is less than yesterday's closing price. And then I'm going to also go into the price patterns library and say that yesterday's closing price was a 52-week high. That is available in the new highs section. If I hit equals next to day after 52-week high close, that'll add it to the test. Now I can click view results. And here we go. These are the results of going long at 3 p.m. Eastern time when you gap down following a 52-week high close and you're still trading below yesterday's closing price at 3 p.m. Eastern time. Historically, the S&P has 186 samples here, so this is a pretty regularly occurring pattern. The NASDAQ 150, the Dow 153, and the Russell 107 samples. If we look at the win rates on them, you'll see the S&P coming in at 60% of those 186 samples have ended up closing higher than the 3 p.m. price. For the NASDAQ, 61%, for the Dow, 63%, and the Russell, 55%. So all four of these at least mildly bullish here on the win rates as an entry at 3 p.m. and an exit at 4:15 p.m. Eastern time. If we look at the average win, average loss on them, that's very similar in size there for the S&P. For the NASDAQ, it's got a little bit larger average loss. For the Dow, very similar in size, and for the Russell, very similar in size. So not a big difference in either the win or the loss on average for these, but the win rates on them are a little bit skewed towards the long side, historically speaking. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.